Hello gardening friends! Today I'd like to introduce you to a flower that brings heavenly blue beauty into your garden and keeps on blooming all season long. Please meet Felicia Forever Blue from Provenwinners. This delightful plant is a compact rounded daisy that's covered in bright blue flowers with cheerful yellow centers, a real standout in any space. It is perfect for containers, balcony boxes, mixed planters and borders. It's a charming, low-growing color accent anywhere you need a lift. And why do gardeners love Forever Blue so much? I can tell you. It's A, because it has such a beautiful and rare sky blue color with those shiny yellow hearts. Then B, because it flowers continuously from early spring to late autumn. And C, because it pairs so beautifully with other plants of different colors and different habits, such as Petunia, Calibrachoa, Lobularia or Macedonia, for example. Felicia Forever Blue is easy to grow, easy to love, and delivers one thing many plants don't: a vivid, true blue. No purple undertones, no fading, just brilliant, eye-catching color. Whether in a seaside garden, a city balcony, or in the countryside, Felicia Forever Blue adds that calm, elegant vibe which makes it so extraordinary. Now, what would you pair with Forever Blue? Soft whites, warm oranges, or maybe sunny yellows? Please let us know in the comments. Then subscribe for more Provenwinners inspiration and discover high-performance plants that bring lasting color, little effort, and a whole lot of joy to your garden or terrace. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you very soon. Goodbye.